Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video we're answering a calculus question on limits at infinity and horizontal asymptotes. So on the board I have an example question we're asked to find the location of the horizontal asymptote, and we do that by finding the limit at infinity. So we have 4x squared plus 2x all over 2x squared plus 1, and we're asked to find the limit at infinity. So to do this, what we need to do is divide everything by the highest power in the denominator, which in this case is x squared. So let's do that now. Now here we have a few things we can cancel out, as x squared divided by x squared just gives us 1, and x squared divided by x squared just gives us 1 again. Now here we're told that x is tending to infinity, and which means it's getting bigger and bigger, and if we divide by a number which is getting bigger and bigger, it's going to get closer and closer to 0. So where we have any division by x or x squared, we can say that is equal to 0. Which just leaves us with two things, one on the top and one on the bottom. The 4 and the 2. Now this can be simplified. 4 divided by 2 is just 2. So the location of our horizontal asymptote will be infinity and 2. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.